मैंने तो बड़े प्यार से लिखा था यार, तुमने गुस्से में पढ़ लिया होगा. No, actually, no, actually, it's been a few months now that Nisha's born, and there's many times that I've taken her out, and I've never said anything for all these months. So that particular incident happened because I read a report in the paper, which actually there was some report which compared uh, some person covering 10-year-old kids का face cover किया हुआ है, and they said I'm doing the same thing. तो मुझे बड़ा अजीब लगा because 4-5 महीने की बच्ची है, अगर इतने डिस्टेंस से फ्लैश होंगे कैमराज उसकी आंख पे, तो that's not good for her. So I felt very hurt that this much sensitivity we should have, to understand, and I felt it was very out of context. Otherwise, I think I've always been very understanding, and I know that you guys are doing your job, I'm doing my job. We can't do this without each other. There's no value. I have no value if these cameras are not here asking me these questions. And if you don't have somebody standing here talking, what's the point of all the cameras? So this is a relationship which we need to do together. And it was not at all for the cameraman. Actually, I think every time I have gone out, all those people who've been clicking pictures have tried to be as discreet as they can, but I understand it's their job. If they don't click the picture, somebody else will. So that's a part of the job, and it happens all the time. But when I read something like that, it felt so out of context. It felt like somebody just wanted to put me down for no reason or to say something mean for no reason. And I can take that. I've been doing this for 13 years. But I don't like it if it's directed towards my family or my children. So I expressed myself honestly, and actually a lot of people were happy that I said something like that, because these are situations which are dangerous. I mean, when I go to promote my movies and there are so many people, there are women, there are children, there are all kinds of people who are there, and there are always situations, and you always wish and pray that nobody ever gets hurt. So we all need to be responsible about such situations. You need to be responsible, I need to be responsible, all of us need to be responsible.